how beautiful is the back of this chair and all the parts on the ground? I know it's hard for you to tell. This is a cool luxury executive chair. Only one thing for me to do is I'm going to put this thing together. While I put it together, I'll give you some of the background on it, and then we'll come back, sit in it, review it. Let's see how this all goes. So while you're watching me put this together, let me just give you the basics on it. This is a big and tall office chair. When I say big and tall, I mean it will hold up to 500 pounds, as well as remaining quiet because it has special quiet wheels. It's from Boz Miller, and like the quality while I'm just here putting it together here seems really cool. But I want you to watch this so you know what to expect in terms of when you put it together and that kind of stuff. Like even the base here as I'm putting it together is all metal, which is just so nice, so much better than that plastic stuff. It does have an adjustment for your lumbar. The lumbar is adjustable. It has a rocking function, so you can roll it back and lean back. It automatically has a built-in like pressure adjustment. The headrest is height adjustable for different heights. Again, there's a lumbar support adjustment on the side. The armrests are padded. And again, I just want to say I'm loving this full metal base. And I can't wait to feel the massage after all the work I've done putting this together. All right, let's go check this thing out. Okay, wow, does this thing look good. Oh, this corner, I'm just having a good time sitting in this chair which fully reclines. Wasn't expecting that. Let's see. Hi. And you can lock it down where you are. I have spent the entire day shooting videos on the floor building stuff. And my back is killing me, and this feels so good. I can't tell my wife because she'll try to steal my cool chair from me. But I don't know if can you see it move? You have to be able to see it move. Oh, that feels good. They're different versions. What other version is there? Let's see. Ooh, that's good.
Massage chair?
I have a massage built into my chair.
What?
Well, listen, I'm flexible. If you wanted to do the massages, then we could go with that. So anyway, let me tell you, it was super easy to build. As I put it together, it is really very nicely assembled. The instructions were super easy. The hardware was great. Only one tool needed, and it gives you a back rub when you get done with the construction. You could adjust the height. Obviously, I'm 6'2" and 200 and too many pounds, and I feel almost a little small in it. Definitely comfortable. And you saw you could go almost to a full recline on it. Let me turn the massager off because that was the only one thing that I noticed when I first sat in.
Talk about like
I could take a nap. Oh, now it'll be like my upper back. Hold on a sec. Oh, now it's my upper back. Wait, you want to see it get even more crazy? Watch this one, hon. Watch this. You like that, buddy? Dog's excited about it. Yeah, this isn't so bad. This is not bad at all. So the one thing I was going to tell you before I started into the nap time mode was that I do notice when the massaging function isn't on, you could kind of still feel the little balls, like that the device that massages your back in the back. I don't know if I would call it disruptive or uncomfortable or anything like that, but it definitely threw me off a little bit initially. You guys will all have to make your own decision. As far as I'm concerned, I may not ever be turning this massaging thing off. So I'm only going to feel the balls rubbing in my back. So overall, I'm super happy with it. Only concern I have is maybe long term whether those balls are as comfortable in your back or not. But right now I'm happy to have them back there. So I'm going to say this is a recommend from me. I would also recommend, by the way, that you should be subscribing to the channel if you have not done so yet, or follow if you're on a device where it's follow. Remember to give us a like and comment below. Have you had any experience like Does that mechanism exist in your chair or doesn't exist in your chair? Is it something you would want or don't want? Put it in the comment below. You could be the first one to start a conversation. Let's do that. Overall, this is a win for me. I hope this has been helpful for you, and we will see you next time.